The main highlight of March is Facebook privacy concern. On March 16th, the New York Times and The Guardian reported that a data mining firm called Cambridge Analytica has unethically gained access to data of more than 50 million Facebook users, and it may have been used to target voters in favor of Donald Trump during elections. Delete Facebook campaign is now rapidly growing. Let us see what step will Facebook take to recover. Recently, WhatsApp added a new feature in its beta version that brings QR code payment option, which will allow users to transfer money by scanning QR codes. Just days after their official launch, some Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus units are reported to have a serious issue that stops the touchscreen from registering inputs in certain area of the screen, making them dead zones. Some users weren't able to resolve the issue through a factory resets and are now reporting the issue on Samsung community forum. Xiaomi officially announces MIUI 9.5. It is based on Android Nougat and all variants will be able to get this update. GoPro Hero Sports and Action Camera launched in India. The camera comes with a 10 megapixel CMOS sensor with features like wide view, voice control, waterproof and stabilization. The sale is already started exclusively on Flipkart and the price is 18,990 rupees. According to a research by LinkedIn, Indian job seekers are preferring Flipkart and Paytm over global giants like Google and Amazon as their workplace. Unusual but interesting. As the media reported, Snapchat is working on a new feature that will let users control which third-party apps will have access to their Snapchat account. The beta version has a new feature called Connected Apps, which will control it. Xiaomi has recently launched its new gaming laptop and it will be available in China from April 13th. It comes in two variants. The low-end laptop contains Intel i5 processor, GTX 1050 Ti, 8GB of RAM and 128GB SSD with a price of 62,000 rupees. Whereas the top-end variant has an Intel i7 processor, GTX 1060, 16GB RAM and 256GB SSD and has a price of 93,000 rupees. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for this month. See you next month. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MuTech. Thank you.